Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making the map object available, enable the map's SDK and pass your API key, then create the map view and listen for on map ready. Once ready, build an initial camera position with target latitude/longitude and zoom. Use camera position, builder so you can set tilt and bearing too. Start with a modest zoom like 14 so you see context. As you do this, make sure to store the camera update factory call. It's the first concrete action that moves the camera on screen. Now refine movement. Create camera update objects using camera update factory. New camera position or factory methods for zoom and bounds. You should prefer animate camera for smooth transitions, pass a duration and an optional callback to react when motion finishes. When you animate bearing and tilt, stagger, or combine them depending on desired effect. Combine for fluid cinematic pans, stagger for focused zooms. Also consider checking map is ready and canceling previous animations before starting a new one so your camera behaves predictably. Finish by wiring camera state into your activity lifecycle. Save current camera position on pause and restore it on resume. Use move camera for instant placement when you need immediate state and animate camera for user-facing transitions. Test on devices with different densities and network latency. If things go wrong, first verify the map initialized and that you have required location permissions and API quota. Missing initialization or expired key is the most common cause. If animation stutters, reduce duration or simplify.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.